Hello, students, my young friends. I've come to teach you all again. 'Cause television is softly creeping into your brains while you are sleeping. So that the revision that I planted in your brain still remains. Listen to the sound of science. In ceaseless rings, electrons flow. Around the nucleus they go. In each atom they stay clamped, held on their course by a magnetic trap, while protons are held with the neutrons nice and tight by strong force might. They hear the sound of science. But in the metal that I saw, electrons escape from these shores, flowing freely between outer shells, pushing apart as like charges repel. Objects can be charged by rubbing metals fast, or when sandblast to make the sound of science. Bulbs, said I, they start to glow, heated by a current flow. Hear my words that I might teach you. Energy is wasted as sound too, and like my words traveling across the class, it echoes as the sound of science. The oscillations move and sway, the particles in their way, until they vibrate in your ear canal, sending signals to your brain to dwell. And your brain takes the sounds of the music and tries to make sense of it all in neurons small, and remembers the sound